In this week's Fresh Produce Market Overview, we see that avocado prices increased by 55% over the past month, while orange prices can also start to increase soon. We also look at the latest online market prices from Nile.ag as usual. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT Fresh Produce Market Outlook. To get the latest information, you can follow us on YouTube by clicking the subscribe button. We also have very popular WhatsApp groups where we pass on extra information every week. You can find the link to these WhatsApp groups on AMT's Facebook page. In the latest economic news, the rand remained around the 18 rand mark against the US dollar, with the latest exchange rate on 18 rand 6 cents. The oil price did increase a bit to $89 per barrel over the past week due to speculation that the OPEC countries may cut production by approximately 1 million barrels per day, which supported the Brent crude oil price over this period. The vegetable market prices stabilized the past week due to slightly higher demand reported on the markets. The national average potato price stayed sideways, however, trading on 36 rand 5 cents per 10 kg bag, while the average class 1 potato price increased slightly to 37 rand 47. On Nile.ag, the class 1 large medium mondial price stayed on 42 rand per 10 kg bag, and we're still well below the levels of last year due to higher supplies on the markets. For the coming week, we can expect slightly lower prices as demand can also decrease over this period. Tomato prices again decreased the past week to 6 rand 83 per kilogram due to higher volumes sold on the markets, while the class 1 price increased slightly to 7 rand 82. We may also see slightly lower prices this week as demand is expected to be lower on the markets as well. Carrot prices showed good support, increasing by 13% to 3 rand 87 last week. The class 1 price also increased to 3 rand 99, while the class 1 large price increased to 54 rand per 10 kg bag on the Nile.ag platform. Based on seasonal trends, we are expecting higher prices again this week. The latest onion price stabilized on 8 rand 66 last week, which is now 229% higher than a year ago. The class 1 price increased to 8 rand 85, while the class 1 large medium white onion price increased to 100 rand per 10 kg bag on Nile.ag. The low overall production this year and high market prices resulted in more farmers to market their produce through the national markets, which means higher volumes, of course, on these markets and prices that also stayed on a higher level compared to the direct marketing channels. Looking at other vegetable prices, the latest cabbage price increased to 2 rand 90, garlic prices decreased to 51 rand 94, spinach prices increased to 2 rand 23, while the latest sweet potato price increased to 3 rand 7 cents. The latest pepper price increased to 17 rand 63 per kilogram, while pumpkin prices increased to 4 rand 15 last week. This broadcast is made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Alpha Toyota and Zimmatic. Nile's online market makes it possible to order directly from South Africa's leading producers. Producers get the benefit of better price transparency, low commissions and faster payments. Learn more about Nile.ag on their website www.nile.ag. Also contact Andrew and his excellent team at Alpha Toyota for the best service and prices nationwide for the Toyota of your choice. High demand last week also had a positive effect on the fruit markets, with most major commodity prices increasing, with the upward support likely to continue due to slightly better demand expected this week again. The banana price increased to 5 rand 44, while the class 1 price increased to 6 rand 13. As a result of higher demand, the class 1 large hand variety price also increased on the Nile.ag platform, trading on 120 rand per 18 kg box. We are expecting higher demand to support prices again this week. Apple prices stayed on a gradual upward trend, increasing to 7 rand 58 last week, with the class 1 price on 8 rand 5 cents. The pear price also increased to R7.25, 6% higher than the previous week. We can expect higher apple and pear prices as volumes are likely to continue on a downward trend. The average orange price increased by 3% the past week, trading on R2.81, while the Class 1 price increased to R3.19 per kilogram. We can expect orange prices to continue in an upward trend and most likely increase significantly in November again. The latest lemon price recovered, increasing by 9% to R3 per kilogram last week. Avocado prices, which is now 55% higher than a month ago, also increased the past week to R17.76, while the latest Class 1 price increased sharply to R19.25. This price is likely to remain in an upward trend until the end of the year. Table grape prices also increased to R59.35, while the latest pineapple price stayed on R10.36 per kilogram last week. The latest blueberry price, however, decreased by 13% to R52.50 last week. Zimmatic irrigation systems are built to last, from industry-leading durability and strength to innovation enhancements and advanced technology. Every product is designed to be a part of a custom and flexible solution that best supports you and your field. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Alpha Toyota and Zimmatic. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.